Today we'll be making Moroccan style Harira soup. This is a nutritionally balanced one pan meal that is high in fiber and protein, and it can be made in just under 30 minutes. The ingredients used are very simple and these are always available in our kitchens. I'm going to use 1 cup of chickpeas which I've soaked overnight. Lamb 1 cup which I've cut into small pieces. You can use any other meat. Butter about 75 grams, 1 finely chopped onion, 2 finely chopped tomatoes, 1/4 cup finely chopped coriander leaves or parsley leaves, 1/4 cup soaked brown or green lentils. I've soaked them for about 20 minutes. So you can use either brown or the green lentils. 1/4 cup wheat vermicelli, half a teaspoon of powdered ginger, 1/4 teaspoon mix of cinnamon and clove powder, salt to taste, pepper about 1 teaspoon, and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. So these are the ingredients, and along with this I'll also be using some grated fresh ginger. So let's take a pot and then melt the butter first. Make sure the flame is not too high, otherwise the butter will burn, and we'll add in the meat pieces. I've used lamb. You can use whatever meat you like. Let's fry the lamb till it turns to a brownish color, and then we'll add in the chopped onions. This is very simple and it's a one pan, one pot meal, and it is really very nutritious. It contains very high amounts of protein in it as well as fiber. It's a totally nourishing meal. Let's add in the fresh grated ginger. You can also add in some garlic also if you like. Let's add in the salt and the pepper. This is a very versatile recipe. You can include whatever, you can make small changes in this. Like I said, you can also add in garlic. You can also add in cumin powder or nutmeg powder as well. It adds to the flavor of this recipe. Let's add the chopped tomatoes and cook it along with the lamb and the onion. Mix it well, and then we'll close the lid and cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes till the tomatoes soften. The tomatoes have softened. Now we'll add the rest of the ingredients. The soaked chickpeas, the lentils, and about 1 liter of water. You can add water according to requirement and according to the consistency required. Let's increase the flame and then cook this broth really well. Add in the cinnamon and clove powder that we had kept. I've used 1/8 teaspoon of each, and the ginger powder. Mix it well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like and share my videos. Let's add in the vermicelli. I've used the wheat vermicelli. If you use the rice, it gets really very mushy. You can also add in the vermicelli at a little later stage if you want it nice and grainy. So we cooked it for about 30 minutes, less than 30 minutes, say about 20 minutes, and the soup is ready to be served. Just check if the chickpeas and the pulses, the lentils have cooked properly, and then finally we'll add in the tomato paste and the coriander leaves. Mix it really well, and your harira soup, Moroccan style harira soup, is ready to be served. This does not need any thickening. Generally, cornflour slurry is used to thicken this, but I have not added much of water since the consistency is right. I won't be using any thickening for this. Do try this recipe